love those.
So I'm in Hoboken pretty often. I don't get posted there very often, but my other posts kind of allow me to be and pass through there pretty often.
It's not bad. So, like I work at
You work in Hoboken?
I work at John Williams.
Okay.
It's like this big building.
River Street, right on the water. Yeah. The last one at the end. Or that Frank Sinatra Boulevard.
Hey, Frank Sinatra
I know River Street.
Boulevard. Yeah. It's like the main street.
Okay.
Well, one of them, yeah. Okay. So this morning, like Wednesdays, I have to go in early.
Little kid with the guitar.
So I got to the train station so early that I caught the wrong train. I caught like the New York train instead of the Hoboken train.
Oh, okay. That's not cute.
No, I usually just take the train from Red to Hoboken.
Oh, okay. The transit train.
So I ended up in New York, had to take the path down.
Hey, I don't want to have kids right now,
sprint down to my building to be able to make this one phone call.
And I will
like,
have
I'm in charge of dialing the phone.
Be like,
I ran into the room with my sneakers
Do you ever think about just like reproducing and making your own band? Like, put them on drums.
What? I already made the You're presenting.
What's that?
Oh my God.
I've already dialed the phone. I was like, oh.
He's already ready. Little kid. He's already ready. He's got the freaking thing above his head. He's like, oh.
But it's so much easier to commute in town than before.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't think I can do that. Like, I don't think it's really like
New York
breaking
just
guitar.
sucks.
Like it sucks everything out of
Think about
that.
Yeah.
I felt like when I came from
Even a shitty
New
one,
York,
you'll feel weird doing it.
I did it for 2 years
Yes.
after college.
Like it did go.
Oh my
Like somebody
God!
actually
Yeah,
did.
you feel like I just need to shower and just.
You're saying it.
I feel like there's a film on my skin.
Here you take your kid guitar.
People are like shoving you off.
Yeah.
I could never carry a purse
Like,
because
yeah.
constantly it's just like your purse is going
And you're just like this with a bunch of annoying people who just keep.
It's awful.
This guy's awesome by that.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
I don't know what he's on or drinking or he's just insane or what.
Okay, so last week I totally saw a much better thing than that. So I was in Sweden last week for work. Okay. We were waiting for...
Please what?
So
I was hoping
I'm
that.
going to talk to Liz. So we're waiting for the camp. We're waiting for a while. Yeah. And it was midsummer, like vacation, holiday, like you got the package going there. And then, where's this guy? Right?
The what?
So there's a guy in New York that runs like this hat store next
You're
to English Street Pizza.
So
Beard and everything. I was just looking at his hat one day and I was like,
what's
just like, oh, you know, it's like, oh, how's it going today?
Okay.
So far so good. Yeah, and I was like, yeah, so far. What are you planning? And I'm arresting you right now.
I'm just like, oh, okay. Dropping his cigarette, trying to pick it up with his cigarette. So hilarious.
Yeah, I work in Sweden. Do the trains that go between New York and Jersey. So we patrol all of that, and like wherever we have like either substations, like power facilities, whatever. So we have cars that drive around.
Probably with her phone,
I could be anywhere from 33rd Street down the avenue. We got 914th, 23rd, 24th Street, 914th New Jersey, 405 New Jersey. Any of those stations that would be.
I don't want to take a taxi. They're going
A or
to
the?
take me to where they want to go. I want to go where I want to go.
I did see we did see a kid on camera.
And then he's like,
I'm gonna start a cult of people that go streaking in New York City screaming John Macaluso.
I'm sure I'll get
Just like Macaluso was here.
I won't get ripped on at all by the guys that
Did you
work.
say Macaluso's coming?
oh.
Yeah.
This is an awful story. I know, but it's not like people we're just like, this is quite a spectacle. Yeah, they're 6 o'clock in the evening, yeah. And like, then at some point, he offers more money. I guess maybe to like drive
When you say something, you ever say something over and over again to the point where it just sounds like ballerina. You think about it, it's not like a word anymore, but like
so bad, but it's funny.
it's kind of hard to explain, but I've done it.
There was an Alf episode where he kept saying ballerina for that very purpose.
There you go. I'm done. This guy's phenomenal right here. I'm done.
Is he ever getting up?
I hope not.
For the sake of my video, let's hope he gets up.
Oh, you're still building?
The whole time.
Beautiful.
I think he thinks this is good stuff. Like,
Yeah, right now, like Jimi Hendrix just got done playing. There you go, Summer of Love.
oh, he's,
By the way, when we walk out of here, you're going down. We do have to see Wacky Jack though.
You won't rush it fucking safe.
Good? I just want to go over and do like an atomic leg drop on him right now.
What will he do when Hulkamania runs wild on him?
Fine job, man.
I give him a standing 8 count, he'll be down.
Love it. Like you say, you play.
Alright, you want to see Wacky Shack and then
yeah, you guys have
Let's go look at the Wacky Shack.
I have to know what's in this CD player.
Do you see that?
That's just it. Yeah, I saw it once it hit the ground and died all over the place.
It's like a whole like body.
Threw it on the ground.
I have to know what's in this CD player. Alright, let's go.
I'm sorry.